Connecting imports, importing telecommunications VoIP phones decoded. Welcome back to our channel, where we provide valuable information about customs brokerage and international trade. In today's video, we will be discussing the process of importing telecommunications VoIP phones into the USA. This topic is essential for businesses and individuals looking to import these modern communication devices and navigate the complex world of customs regulations. Let's dive right into the details. Understanding customs brokerage. To successfully import telecommunications VoIP phones, it is crucial to work with a customs broker. A customs broker acts as a liaison between the importer and the customs authorities, ensuring compliance with all necessary regulations. Obtaining a customs bond. Before importing any goods into the USA, importers are required to obtain a customs bond. This bond acts as a guarantee to the government that all customs duties and fees will be paid. It is important to work with a reputable surety company to obtain a customs bond. Importance of the Importer Security Filing (ISF). The Importer Security Filing (ISF), also known as 10+2, is a mandatory requirement for all shipments coming into the USA. It requires importers to provide specific information about the shipment, including the buyer, seller, consignee, and commodity details, to be submitted at least 24 hours before the vessel's departure. Key elements of the ISF. The ISF consists of 10 data elements provided by the importer, such as the buyer and seller information, manufacturer or supplier, HTS/US code, and more. The 2 elements provided by the carrier include the vessel's stowage plan and container status messages. Benefits of ISF compliance. Complying with the ISF regulations is crucial, as non-compliance may lead to fines, penalties, and shipment delays. By ensuring accurate and timely submission of the ISF, importers can avoid potential uncertainties and efficiently move their goods through customs. Navigating tariff classification. To determine the correct duty rate for telecommunications VoIP phones, importers must classify the products using the harmonized system HS codes. Proper tariff classification is essential for facilitating smooth customs clearance. Valuation and customs duties. Importers must also determine the customs value of the VoIP phones. This value includes the price paid or payable for the goods, as well as other charges such as freight, insurance, and royalties. The customs duties owed are calculated based on this value. Dealing with regulatory agencies. Importers of telecommunications VoIP phones must comply with regulatory agencies such as the Federal Communications Commission (FCC). These agencies have specific requirements, including certifications and labeling obligations, that must be met for electronic devices. Inspections and examinations. Upon arrival at the port, VoIP phones may be subject to inspections and examinations by U.S. Customs and Border Protection (CBP). It is essential to ensure that all required documentation, such as commercial invoices, packing lists, and bills of lading, are readily available for the CBP officers. Understanding trade agreements. Importers should also familiarize themselves with any trade agreements in place between the USA and the exporting country. These agreements may offer preferential duty rates or exemptions, benefiting importers by reducing their overall customs costs. Post-entry amendments and prior disclosures. Errors or omissions in the entry documentation can be corrected through post-entry amendments or prior disclosures. Importers should work closely with their customs broker to rectify any mistakes and maintain compliance with customs regulations. Duty drawback opportunities. Importers who re-export VoIP phones or use them in the manufacture of other products may be eligible for duty drawback. This allows them to obtain a refund of the duties paid, further reducing their overall importing costs. Incoterms and international shipping. Understanding the Incoterms used in the transaction is crucial for determining the responsibilities of both the buyer and the seller during international shipping. Importers must clarify with their suppliers who is responsible for shipping, insurance, and customs clearance. Specialized packaging and marking. Proper packaging and marking of the VoIP phones are essential to ensure safe transportation and facilitate customs clearance. Importers should adhere to international packaging standards and include all necessary labeling and product information.
Record-keeping requirements. Importers must maintain records of their transactions, including invoices, packing lists, shipping documents, and customs-related paperwork, for 5 years from the date of entry.
Maintaining accurate records is crucial for audits and compliance. Industry-specific regulations. The telecommunications industry may have specific regulations and standards that importers must comply with when importing VoIP phones.
It is essential to stay updated on any industry-specific requirements to ensure smooth customs clearance. Partnering with a customs broker. Importers, especially those new to the customs brokerage and international trade process, can greatly benefit from partnering with a knowledgeable and experienced customs broker.
A customs broker can guide them through the complex customs regulations and help minimize risks and costs. Consultation with legal advisors. In complex import scenarios, it is advisable to consult legal advisors who specialize in customs and international trade law. They can offer valuable insights and ensure compliance with all legal requirements. Continuous education and industry updates. The world of customs brokerage and international trade is constantly evolving. Importers should stay updated with the latest industry news, regulatory changes, and best practices by participating in webinars, attending trade conferences, and engaging in continuous education. Thank you for joining us today as we discussed the process of importing telecommunications VoIP phones into the USA.
We hope this video has provided valuable insights into the customs brokerage and international trade aspects of importing these products.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos.
Thank you for watching.